How to fix MetaTrader 5 not working properly on your device. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like MetaTrader 5 not working properly on your device. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you have to check the internet connection of your device. So this problem might be happening by your internet connection. So make sure you have the stable internet connection on your mobile. So after you confirm that, you will have to open the Play Store or App Store on your device. So simply open the Play Store, and now from here you will have to confirm that you have updated the latest version of MetaTrader 5. So you have to confirm it from here, and if you are seeing the update option instead of this open, so you have to update that MetaTrader 5 app from here, and you will be able to solve that problem. So if you are still facing that problem, you will have to back from here and you have to open the device settings. So simply open the device setting, and now from here you will have to go the options app, and from here you will have to find the app MetaTrader 5. So simply find the MetaTrader app. Alright, so after you find the MetaTrader 5 app, you will have to open it, and now from here you will have to click on this force stop option just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on the force stop option. So right now I have already clicked on that force stop option, and after that you will have to click on this storage option just at the usages section. So simply tap on it, and now from here click on the clear data option. Okay, so click on the OK, and now from here by doing this process you'll be able to fix the problem MetaTrader 5 not working properly on your device. So if you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.